Hey everyone! Today we're going to show you how to get the most out of your Mirka DEROS RS 600 Rotary Sander. Let's get started. Although the DEROS RS 600 is a light tool, we recommend always operating it with both hands. This ensures optimal control and performance. Before starting, make sure that the tool is switched off. Select a suitable abrasive and secure it to the backing pad, making sure it is centered. For best results, we suggest using a Mirka backing pad and Mirka abrasives. Also, to keep your workspace clean and ensure optimal performance, it's strongly recommended to use the tool in combination with a Mirka dust extractor. The lock function is a fantastic feature that allows the tool to run continuously without needing to keep the start button pressed. This is particularly useful for extended sanding sessions as it reduces hand fatigue and lets you focus on what really matters, your results. If you have any questions, be sure to check our quick start guide. The ramp up function gradually increases the speed of the tool to a selected speed as load is applied and decreases the speed as the load is reduced. This feature allows you to start at a lower speed and increase as needed, minimizing the risk of damaging the workpiece. However, if too much load is applied, the RPM may reduce. To put the tool into an operable state, locate the On Standby button on your device. Press this button, and you will notice that the multi-purpose LED will start blinking green. This indicates that the tool is now operable. Also, check the LED bar to see the current speed setting. To start the tool, press and hold the start button. The tool will run so long as you hold the button. Release the button to stop the tool. While running, the multi-purpose LED will show a solid green light. This feature is known as the momentary switch. To use the lock function, press the start button and then quickly press the lock button, or press the lock button and then quickly press the start button. To release the lock and stop the tool, press either the lock button or the start button while the tool is running. The multi-purpose LED will stay solid green as long as the tool is running. Remember, the machine is very quiet. Make sure to turn it off when you're done sanding. To change the speed while the tool is running or in an operable state, press or hold the Speed Plus button to increase the speed, or the Speed Minus button to decrease it. The speed setting will be displayed on the LED bar, making it easy to adjust to your desired speed. To switch between normal and ramp-up modes, ensure that the tool is in an operable state. Press both the Speed Plus and Speed Minus buttons simultaneously. The multi-purpose LED will blink, and this will indicate the mode change. To put the tool into standby state, press the On/Standby button. This action will turn off the multi-purpose LED and the LED bar, indicating that the tool is now in standby. And there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you can maximize the performance and efficiency of your Mirka DEROS RS 600 Rotary Sander. Thanks for watching, and happy sanding!